It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, dynamic select automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, external memory control, dual zone climate control, 4 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.